You want more apples?
Yes.
Okay, so I just dropped off my 3-year-old and now it's time for me to make breakfast. I got my 3-year-old back home from school, got both the girls fed and in bed. My 3-year-old's doing quiet time right now, but honestly, I think she escaped her room. So she's somewhere around the house. Now it's finally time for me to eat lunch. I wish I had some veggies, but this is literally all I have. I guess my husband already marinated the meat. We had skirt steak yesterday and we're doing it again tonight, so I'm super excited because it was absolutely delicious.
Whoa.
I made some sourdough, so of course I have to eat some.
Let me see you all fly like an airplane on your swings. Yeah. Is it good?
For dessert, I'm gonna have my sourdough chocolate chip cookies.